going on, guys? Welcome back to It's Tyler, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make a YouTube thumbnail with just your phone. Let's get right into it. If you guys are new to my channel is all about drum covers. I really love drumming. As you can see, the drums right back there. I also make tutorials and I play video games. So today I'll be showing you how to make a thumbnail, and all you need for this is the app PixArt, which is totally free. Alright guys, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Just head into the PixArt app and press any picture you want. So let's say you're making a reaction thumbnail. You're going to want to cut out your face. So that's going to show you. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. And if you don't want to learn how to do that, you can skip forward a little bit in the video. So you're going to pick your photo and you're going to go to cutout right here. And then I'm going to do person, okay? So here is the cutout of me. And what I'm going to do is press erase. I'm going to erase this right here because I don't want my whole arm in there, okay? And we're going to press save, okay? So there we go, there is that. And now we're going to press download up there. And it's going to say save to photos, okay? And then what we're going to do is start a new project. And then we're going to press whatever color down here we want to use as the background. You can use any of these patterns, okay? I usually like to use colors though. So I'm actually going to use the orange thumbnail right here, or the orange color, okay? And then you need to have the correct thumbnail size. So what we're going to do is, in order to make that size, go down to the fit tab right here. You're going to ratio, and then you're going to go press YouTube, okay? So there we go. There is our thumbnail size right there. And so basically what I want to do, before I add the picture of me in, because I can do that, I want to add some text and the YouTube logo. Alright guys, so now what we're going to do is add the YouTube logo, okay? So we're going to take, we're going to go down here to stickers, and then I'm going to search YouTube logo. Alright guys, so we have our YouTube logo, and we're going to go ahead and tap that. Tap the one we want. And I'm going to put that right here. Okay? So then what we're going to do is press apply, and then I'm going to go to text, okay? And what I'm going to be doing is making how to make a YouTube thumbnail around that YouTube symbol. How to make, okay? So there we go. I'm going to make the color white. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a stroke on that to make it stand out a little bit, like that. Go. That looks good. And you can choose any of the fonts you want, okay, to make it stand out the most you can. I'm going to have my font, that font, okay? That looks like a good font, and I'm going to apply that. What I'm going to do is add the text, okay, or add the photo of me. So I'm going to go in here, and I'm going to pick that photo. I'm going to add. So there's the photo of me, and there we go. We can put it right there. Alright. I think I like that just how it is. And there is the thumbnail, guys. How to make a YouTube thumbnail. Alright, there's the thumbnail of me. And yeah, that is how to make a thumbnail. Then just to make it download, press the download button. And then you can go to your photos. You can upload it to YouTube from there. And yeah, that's about it. Alright guys, that is how to make a YouTube thumbnail. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Here is the thumbnail. Turned out pretty well. Everything's backwards as you can see, but turned out pretty well if you ask me. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, alright? So if you want more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe and say in the comments, because I need some of your guys' requests, alright? Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.